I'm a true champion.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so down below. So it's a lovely day in Durban, nice and hot and sunny. It's a little bit windy, but I managed with that. And today we're going to be spraying the front end of my car, the front grille that's currently a matte black. We're going to be dechroming it, taking off the chrome trim, or spraying that gloss black, and the whole front grille gloss black. We're also going to be fixing my rear boot spoiler. That when I put it onto the car last time and painted it, I'm not sure if it was from the sun or what happened, but if you look closely, you can look on the end of the spoiler. There are like three tape marks on the spoiler. So we're going to respray that all off today, and we're going to spray the front grille. We're spraying this today, getting that all sprayed gloss black. All the chrome trim will be gloss black, the Audi logo will be gloss black. I'll give it a slightly more meaner look, making it the front grille actually look slightly wider, like by spraying the chrome gloss black as well. And then it'll all match, because my front splitter is gloss black, and so is the rest of the trim on the car, the rims and the back boot spoiler. So let's go ahead and start removing the number plate. Gonna get a flat screwdriver behind it on each end, pop these rivets out. One and two. Once that's done, you can just slide it across these. You can see those just all come off. Hands down and play it all off. That'll go back onto the car again a bit later. Let's start to get this off here. Unscrewing these two screws here, and then we can get the number plate off the car completely and start masking. I've just looked at now, I might not even put this back onto the car because this just sticks out that much more. I might just stick this onto the car as is, and the 4 holes that are already here on the number plate, I'll stick that on where it's supposed to go, like that, and just screw in the 4 screws. It'll be a lot more sleek on the car. Probably end up doing that. Once you have it all masked up, just go out with a flat screwdriver gently. Just make sure you've patted down all the tape along all the edges. So it's all flush on the inside. Once you have the trim all trimmed up and masked up, you can just go ahead and get some newspaper and just basically stick on newspaper and then stick that on that halfway mark on that tape that you stuck onto the car already. So it's a lot easier that you know that you aren't fiddling with newspaper and all of that. You just go ahead and mask off the rest of the car. go ahead and start taping it up how we did earlier on the front. Get your first line of masking tape in. You know exactly where you put it. Okay, cool. So once you've done that, we can go ahead and start putting the newspaper down as we did in the front of the grill. You made the line, just go halfway onto that, and then that's it. We can go ahead and start spraying. So hopefully this wind will be okay. As you can see, it's just a bit windy, but we'll see what happens. Go ahead and do a light coat. What I'm using is this Rustoleum 2-in-1 Ultra cover. It's a gloss black, wood, metal, plastic and more, and it's fantastic. Let's go ahead and start doing just a thin light coat. What you want to do is just spray over all of the chrome first to give it a sticky application. Okay, so it's all been sprayed now. It's all clean and gloss, no marks in it. I'm just going to go now and wait for it to cool off, or dry off. Then we can peel off the main layer of newspaper and just let it cool off. Okay, dry off, not cool off. It's one of those days. Now the front as well, all painted and gloss, nice and shiny and clean. Okay, so we're done doing that now. We can just slowly start peeling off outer layer. A little bit of overspray there, but that'll be fine. We'll get that all off eventually. So they're acoustically satisfying. That's it. Okay, so as I said earlier, I'm not going to put on the original bracket. I'm just going to screw this straight to the actual front guard. I'm going to use these screws here, and these will basically go through each hole and go through each hole and go into the bumper. But what I want to do, I want to spray these gloss black or black so you don't see them as much. Let's go ahead and quickly spray these up. So it's basically pretty much touch dry, so we'll go ahead and start peeling off this tape. Always peel We'll try to peel away from what you just painted. That's the spoiler redone, all clean and new. Car's quite dirty. Diesel, fun. We'll give it another few minutes so we can start peeling off the front grille and see how that turned out. Okay, so now that we've peeled off all of the newspaper, we're just going to let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on the number plates with those new black screws. But if you have a look now, it looks not bad, all gloss and done. There is still the excess masking tape that's still on. We'll leave that on overnight, and I'll try to put it off now and damage the edging on the inside. So I'm just going to leave that all done. But I think that turned out pretty well, all dechromed, and the number plate will go on there. We'll do that tomorrow once this is all dry. See how it looks with the run it down. That looks much better, much more meaner of a look than before. Cool. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, welcome back. So we've just done the number plate back on the car now. That's all nicely. We can go ahead and start getting this all off and see how it turns out.
Lovers left lying in the dark, never faded by the lights or the dark.
That's it. All done. Dechromed. Gloss black. It turned out pretty well. Cool, hope you guys enjoyed that. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Cheers guys, bye.
Never